Hello everyone. Today we will learn about degree of comparison. Degree of comparison are used when we compare one person or one thing with another. There are 3 degrees of comparison in English. First is positive degree, second is comparative degree, third is superlative degree. Let's discuss about positive degree. When we speak about only one person or thing, we use the positive degree. For example, first is he is a tall student. Second example is this flower is beautiful. Third example is the green box is large. Each sentence mentioned above talks about only one noun. Here we are not comparing he with any other person or flower with any other flower or box with any other box. Or we can say that the positive degree of an adjective is used when no comparison is made. Let's discuss about comparative degree. When we compare two persons or two things, we use both the positive degree or comparative degree. For example, this house is bigger than that one. That is the example of comparative degree. And second example is this house is not as big as that one. That is the example of positive degree. The term bigger is comparative version of the term big. Both these sentences convey the same meaning. We can use positive form to comparison by using as adjective as. So in second example we are using as big as. And an adjective in comparative degree are usually followed by than. So in first example we are using bigger than. That is the example of comparative degree. Let's discuss about superlative degree. When we compare more than two persons or things with one another, we use superlative degree. First example is this is the biggest house in this street. This is the example of superlative degree. Second example is the house is bigger than any other house in this street. This is the example of comparative degree. And no other house in this street is as big as this one. This is the example of positive degree. The term biggest is the superlative version of the term big. All the three sentences mean the same meaning, but we use the before superlative degree of adjective. An adjective in superlative degree is usually followed by of or in. Now we will discuss about rules. We can form comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives in the following way. First is by adding er and est to the adjective in positive degree. For example, tall, taller, tallest. Means in case of most adjective, we add er and est to the positive degree to form the comparative and superlative degrees respectively. In case of adjective ending in e, we add r and st to form comparative and superlative. Now, second point is by changing y into ier and iest in case the adjective ends in consonant plus y. Means in case of adjectives ending in consonant plus y, we change y into ier and iest to form the comparatives and superlatives. For example is heavy, heavier, heaviest. Now third point is doubling the last consonant and adding er and est when small words end with a single consonant. Means for small words with single consonant at the end, we double the consonant and add er and est to form the comparatives and superlatives. For example, big, bigger, biggest. We are using G double here. By adding more and most. Means for some adjectives we use more and most along with the adjectives to form comparative and superlatives. For example, boring, more boring, and most boring. Some now fifth point is some adjectives do not follow these rules and form comparatives and superlatives by changing into completely new words. Means some adjectives do not follow these rules and make a new word. For example, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, many, more, most, far, further, furthest. Thank you.